Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to fix Binance Verification Failed. First, go to Binance and log into your account. Then click on Verify Now to start the verification process. Select your residence and choose your country or region. If you receive an error message saying wrong code, you can try the following solutions. Request a new verification code by clicking on Get Code, but avoid requesting too many codes in a short period as this could temporarily lock your account. You can also use a different device to receive the code, such as accessing Binance through a web browser on a PC or mobile web browser instead of the app. Another option is to connect to a different network or Wi-Fi. If you use two-factor authentication or 2FA, try verifying with your other 2FA devices such as a passkey or Google Authenticator. If you didn't receive a verification code, make sure you click on Get Code on the verification page. Then check your email spam and trash inboxes, as your email provider may have deleted the verification code email. You may also want to try again in 10 minutes, as high network traffic can delay the delivery of verification codes via email or SMS. If you have other 2FA devices like a passkey or Google Authenticator, try verifying through them. If needed, you can reset your phone number or email. If you still cannot receive verification codes and your Binance account was created using an Apple ID with the Hide My Email feature, the verification emails might be forwarded to the Apple ID you used to sign up instead of the email address shown in your Binance profile. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.